whatever it is that you do, whether it be a business or magpa-franchise ka man, or whether it be trading sa stocks or forex or cryptocurrency or what have you, be it about selling, kung ano man yung iniisip mo, give your all. Again, when you give your all, there are no regrets at the end of the day.
So you guys have guessed it right. In this video, we have one of our favorite guests, Mae Mendoza, sharing her top 3 tips for you to have a better, wealthier, and financially free 2020. So if you want to know more about it, check this video out.
For more of Marvin's videos, press subscribe, hit like, and smash the bell notification.
Hey guys, so Mae Mendoza is back by popular demand. I know she's one of your favorite guests in the vlog, so I've given her 8-9 minutes to share on her top 3 tips that will help you to grow your business, to be good at your finances, and essentially just to have a better 2020, because the heart and the goal of this channel is for you guys to win in every aspect of life. And Mae Mendoza is one of the people she's one of the good guys. She's one of the friends that I have that really wants people to succeed. She really genuinely wants you guys to get ahead in life as well. So I hope the 3 tips that she gives is something that will give you a kickstart, a boost of adrenaline as you start 2020. And guess what? Mae has a new business. If you want to know more what it is, why she started it, and why is she so passionate about it, stay till the back half of the video so you find out. So if you're interested and want to know more about Mae's 3 tips, comment "I'm excited," comment "I want to hear Mae more." So check this out.
Hi, Marvin. Hello, everyone. Mae Mendoza here. I am a good friend of Marvin. Eto ako ngayon gumagawa ng video because nag-usap kami ni Marvin kanina and he asked me if I could share my 3 financial tips for 2020. And sabi ko naman, since I'm on my way for a flight because I'm a flight attendant by profession, but also on the side, I run an events company together with some partners in the UAE focused on financial events for Filipinos. So, yan, Stock Smarts UAE, ayan, together with some partners, we've been organizing that for quite a while. So, sabi ko kay Marvin, as soon as I land, I will make that video. Anyway, nandito ako ngayon sa Malta, and Marvin, nagbihis talaga ako agad because I want you to see the view. It's really beautiful. Backstory first, I'm in Malta, as I said. It's an island country. It is situated in Southern Europe. And it takes pride on so many things. Maybe we can take inspiration from it. It takes pride on its, strategic location. It has marketing advantages because it's really a beautiful, maraming mga gandang beaches. And also, it is proud when it comes to its highly skilled workforce. O, diba? Inspiring talaga. Tapos, kahapon, napanood ko sa TV Patrol na yung patrol vessel daw natin na si Gabriela Silang ay nandito. So, pagdating ko, nung nakita ko ang ganda ng view, sabi ko, baka nandito si Gabriela Silang. Let me open it and I'll show you. Marvin, ayan. So, hinanap ko si Gabriela Silang. Actually, hindi ko naman siya nakita. So, baka nasa ibang area. So, ayan. I don't know, medyo yung lighting. So, there you go. That is the beachfront. It's really nice. Ayan, pero papasok tayo. Naka-jacket ako kasi masyadong malamig. Actually, para mga 10 degrees yata. Isarado natin ulit. Ayan. So, si Gabriela Silang hinanap natin. Wala naman. Baka nasa ibang lugar. Ayun. So, my top 3 financial advices for 2020. Well, one thing that comes to mind really is, firstly, it's focus on your strengths. Focus on what you're very good at. Always choose to take the path of least resistance. If it's your strength, mas hindi siya mahirap sa'yo gawin. And because of that, since least resistance siya for you, then you can really maximize your earning potential. You can maximize your returns. So say, for example, if you are good in selling, focus on that. If you're good in digital marketing, social media, writing articles, or kung pareho kayo kay Marvin Guillermo na magaling talagang mag-vlog, magturo, focus on that. Because again, once you are, mas madali na lang sa'yo gawin, then mas makaka-concentrate ka on how you can maybe earn from it, or on how you can actually adapt, or maybe do something that would create more traction for your potential clients or customers. Ayun. So number 1, focus on your strengths. And then whatever businesses that you choose, then mas madali na lang siya para sa'yo. Number 2, it is executional excellence. Whatever it is that you do, whether it be a business or magfa-franchise ka man, or whether it be trading sa stocks or forex or cryptocurrency or what have you, be it about selling, kung ano man yung iniisip mo, give your all. Again, when you give your all, there are no regrets at the end of the day. So which is good. And when I say executional excellence, it's not just about really devoting 100% of your time. It's also making sure that you're knowledgeable of what you do. You are aware of the downside. You are also calculative when it comes to the upside. So with that, you come into the game of business or into the game of money making prepared. Para bang kung a-attend ka ng laban ay handa ka talaga, 'di ba? Tama ba, Marvin? Okay, so number 3 naman, also it's important na you really have to think of something that creates meaning to other people. Are you solving a problem? If you are solving a problem that the majority of the people will benefit from, then most probably you have a high chance of making it in business or whatever venture it is. Because if there's a need that you're catering, then you know that mas marami ang magbe-benefit sa kanya. So it's not just about money making, but it's also making a difference, di ba? So those 3 things. 1, focus on your strengths. Number 2, executional excellence. And number 3, it is about creating something with meaning and something that is needed. Ayun. Speaking of needed and speaking of something that's meaningful, as I said earlier, I'm a flight attendant by profession. Hopefully, you will support me and my friends. We created a flight attendant planner. Ayan. Marvin, ayan siya. So this flight attendant planner is something that will organize your flights. So kung may kakilala po kayo na flight attendants, or if you yourself are a flight attendant, then this would be a very good note for you. Ayan, so notebook actually to. Ginamit ko siya actually kanina din sa flight. So with this one, it has a roster layout, it has a schedule layout, meron din siyang roster calendar, and it has a flight layout. So every flight you can record, kasi minsan actually pag flight attendant, minsan sa sobrang lipad ka ng lipad, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pumunta. Kahit yung 2 days ago na flight mo, minsan nakakalimutan mo na. So, it's nice that after 10 years or 15 years, you get to record your flights. That is very meaningful. Ayan, diba? So, may papakita ka sa anak mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa nanay mo. Ayan. So, here you go. It's a flight attendant. This is an example of the flight layout. So, you can write kung anong flight ka, who you're flying with, and also maybe some details of the flight, like any specials of the flights, wake-up call, pick-up call, and also with this notebook, it also, something that's really nice na nilaban talaga namin is that every flight page has a quotation. Ayan, so inspiring quotes. So if you are preparing for a flight, or you're in the briefing room already at 3 o'clock in the morning and you need some boost, ayan, may mga quotes tayo dyan. Ayan. And also, the good thing about this is it becomes a memorabilia after a while. This is the reason why we really created this. And also, we found the need na maraming mga FAs na minsan after 10 years, time flies fast and they realize, sana pala I kept a record of my journey and my travel. So, yeah, this one, we created this on 2017. So hopefully you get to support our planners. So the creators of this are Karen, myself, and of course with the support of Marvin. He's been helping us a lot. So if you really want to know more about this flight attendant planner, all you have to do is message Marvin. Or I think we can put the link as well. Hopefully Marvin can put the link of the flight attendant planner. So far, flight attendants from the Philippines, from Qatar, from Oman, from the UK have availed this. So, this is a very nice gift as well. Kung may mga friends kayo or kung FA kayo, we are actually on sale right now. So, if you want to order, we can ship anywhere around the world. So, all you have to do is, message Marvin, or maybe we'll put our link. Siguro ilalagay ni Marvin yung link namin. That would really mean so much to me, to Karen, and of course to Marvin as well. All flight attendants out there, hope you grab a copy. Let us know and we'll make sure that you get yours in no time. For everyone naman, I really wish you the happiest of New Year. I hope that this will be a year of breakthroughs for you. Kung you plan to create a business, you want to start a business, you want to expand your business, you have financial goals, I really hope that you will be able to reach those goals for 2020. May it be a year of answered prayers for all of you. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for always supporting Marvin's videos. Hope to see you again, Marvin, soon here in the UAE. I know you're coming back for Stock Smarts. So thank you again and have a great afternoon.
I hope you guys got a lot from Mae's tips. I hope her 3 tips is something that gave so much value, so much insight for all of you guys. For those who've been following Mae in this vlog for the past 2 years, if you find value in the tips that she's giving you and you want to support her, guys, the links are down below for Crew Essentials, her business. You can just click the link and order. If you're a flight attendant, this is for you. If you have friends that you know travel a lot, you can also give it for them as well. If you want more and more and more of Mae to be part of this vlog, you want more guestings of her, comment, I want Mae. If you want Crew Essentials Planner, comment Crew Essentials and we'll send you the link as well. I hope this video added tremendous value to you, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.